Hey guys, Brian with Limelight Detailing in Boise, Idaho. Today I'm going to show you how we remove stickers off of the back of glass or on a windshield. Most of the time people aren't putting stickers on their windshield, but if you have a sticker on either your bumper or your the back glass of your vehicle, I'm going to show you how you remove it. A lot of people haven't invested in a steam cleaner. That's pretty normal. Most people aren't going to use that. So a question that we get a lot is, can I remove a sticker with like a hair dryer or a heat gun? That's a very common thing. And the answer is yes. If you have extra time on your hands and you have one of those tools, you can remove stickers. The main thing when you're trying to remove a sticker off of a vehicle is you've got to apply some heat to melt the adhesive that's on the bottom of it. And so if you have a heat gun, you can order it on Amazon. You can find it at just about any automotive store. Some craft stores have them. You can get a heat gun and that will melt the adhesive on the bottom and help you to be able to peel the sticker off. But today, I'm gonna show you how we do it with a steam cleaner. And what I have at the tip of this is like a chisel tip. And this is what I use. It kind of mimics like a razor blade, which a lot of people, you can try to use to get stickers off. I prefer to use it on a steam cleaner. And so the number one thing that I'm trying to do here is melt the adhesive and kind of peel it off in one motion as much as I can. I don't want to sit there and etch the glass by going back and forth really quickly. So I'm going to show you how we do that. All right, so once we've had the main sticker removed, you can see that there's obviously some residue left over. So what I do is switch tips. And this is a little bit more abrasive, but this is a plastic tip brush. This isn't metal or brass, obviously. If you do that, you're gonna screw up your glass. So then what I like to do to cause as little friction between the bristles of the brush and the glass is I just cover it with my microfiber towel and just go back and forth on here. All right, and so most of the residue is gone. Of course, you're gonna wanna go back over your glass with a, Windex or some sort of glass cleaner to make it, streak free, but that's how you get all the residue off. So if you've got some unwanted stickers on your car, you need them removed, give us a call today. We'd love to do that for you. Reach out to us at 208-391-3455 or check us out at limelightdetail.com.